Look to the healing power of Mother Nature. Nature doesn't care how old you are, how much money you have, or where you come from, what sex you are, or what religion you believe in. It is simply there to provide everyone a respite in its beauty. We are truly blessed to live at Carroll Lutheran Village. Nestled into the foothills of the Appalachian Mountains, nature simply surrounds us with its beauty. All we have to do is step outside, and it is right there with you. Whether it is in the gardens that surround our buildings or the plentiful wildflowers growing in our open fields, Mother Nature will always amaze us with its beauty.